Hi, I'm Derek Granath. I'm the Vice President of Product Marketing at Silver Peak. Silver Peak delivers SD-WAN, or software-defined wide area networking, and WAN optimization solutions to help our customers build better wide area networks. One of the demonstrations we're doing here at VMworld is what we call a torture test. And what a torture test is designed to show is how a software-defined wide area networking with bonded tunnel technologies and error correction technologies can deliver higher application availability even when the WAN transport services are impaired. In this particular demonstration, we're using an internet service and an MPLS service. And of course, because we don't have real internet and MPLS here, we're using WAN emulators to do that. And we're using a WAN emulator from Apposite technologies. And in this test, we're injecting varying amounts of packet loss and showing how a bonded tunnel with error correction technology can overcome that packet loss and deliver a pristine real-time video. So with the Silver Peak solution, we create overlays, and these overlays comprise multiple WAN transports. And in this demonstration, we have a WAN transport we call MPLS and another one called Internet. And what we do is run a live video stream from a webcam, and you can see that right there. We've got someone walking by, it's a live stream. And I've got these two services, one labeled MPLS and one labeled Internet. And then at the top here, we have the overlay, the application overlay. And what that's showing is the application and how that stays green even when we have severe packet loss. So what I've done here is in the packet loss part of the graph here, I'm injecting up to 20% packet loss on the trace I'm calling Internet, and there's about 0.25% on MPLS. And of course, we don't have real MPLS or Internet services here at VMworld. We're using WAN emulators, and we're using WAN emulators from Apposite technologies, and they're serving us very, very well. But again, in this instance, what I've got is I've got the application overlay transmitting packets over both transports. We create a bonded tunnel bonding these two services together, and I'm also using some forward error correction packets to correct for that packet loss. And you can see even with a brownout condition of up to 20% packet loss on the internet connection, I'm still able to deliver the application with complete a completely clean video stream here on the application, and you can see that here. I can even go so far as to unplug the internet service. I'm going to choose to do the internet service, and I'm going to unplug the cable right now. And what we're going to see is in about 30 seconds or so, this trace is going to go red, and this trace will go red, which is indicating a blackout condition or an outage of that service. And you can see right now, it's not severe packet loss, it's complete packet loss because we unplug the cable. The service is down, and we're able to still deliver that video stream just over the MPLS connection, which only has 0.25% packet loss, and we're correcting for all that packet loss. And if you noticed in the video, there were no interruptions, and somebody's standing still, so we can't really tell, but if you see, Alex is actually texting on his phone, and the video went. And then what I can also do, if I can find the cable again, is plug it back in. And we'll see in about 30 seconds again that the connection comes back on. And we won't see any difference in the video because we're still delivering that video application with complete fidelity over the MPLS connection, but you can see now this is coming back on. And of course, we're still going to have packet loss because we've programmed this particular torture test to show up to 20% packet loss and how we can overcome that.
Great, thanks.
Great, thank you.